and these are your gas tubes here. These can be replaced, put a dry fertiliser tube on there, and we have seen some guys actually make up 2 tubes and to put you know, deep pea down and then a starter fertiliser up top. Coming back further here, these are what we call the wavy coulters. So this is what actually forms your strip till, and these do a fantastic job. It's really important that you get the depth of these correct here by this adjustment, and also the in and out, how wide you want your strip. So if you go too wide and you get outside the shadow zone of this tine, you'll have trouble keeping that depth band and on the ground. So it's really important to get these in, but get them working. You need to get these down here and get these coulters working.